Hi everyone, my name is Grayson and welcome to Stall Automate YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to automate the Canon EOS camera. The goal is to simply just plug it in and that's it. And just from plugging it in, it should copy all the media from the camera onto your Windows PC. I'll be utilizing PowerShell and Windows Task Manager. This process is a bit more tricky than I originally thought. The reason why it's tricky is because Windows mounts cameras as portable media devices, not another lettered drive. I'll be sharing all my code and workings in the description, also timestamps, so feel free to jump around. This is my first video. I'll be making similar videos, so be sure to subscribe and stick around. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay, so you'll see I've got my laptop in the background and it's plugged in to my camera via USB. On my GitHub, I've left the link below, but here's a PowerShell script. Things to note in it is it's got my camera name and it's saying a base folder, which I've called camera auto import, and the location it's going to make the import your photos into is C user variable, which is the current user, whoever's logged in, into your pictures folder. What you want to do is copy the script. First actually copy the name, which is import photos.ps1. Find the location, so I've just gone my documents, make a folder, PowerShell, open the folder, and new text file, paste the name, which matches up here, including the PS1, which is letting the PC know it's a PowerShell script. Open the script, paste the code in. So go here, copy raw file, and go back, Control V, Control Save. What you should be able to do here, I'll quickly note, if I open up another, if you click on the camera, you'll notice that the URL for the camera is this PC and then the camera name. So go back to my documents, open up PowerShell, right click, run with PowerShell. You see the script pops up, it runs for a bit and then closes. If I go to the pictures location, you'll see there's a new folder that's been created right now, and it's imported the 3 photos that exist on the camera. Perfect. Now what we want to do is have, instead of manually running that script, we want a trigger. So the trigger needs to be, the goal is the camera being plugged in is the trigger to run the script. In Windows, if you go Start and then Event Viewer, this is a place that you can see all the logs that happen on your Windows PC. So I found that Event, Applications, Microsoft, Windows, and then Device. Down here, Device Setup Manager. And then in these logs, one of them is identified as, here we go, camera. So camera's been plugged in, and to verify that, I clear the logs, unplug the camera, plug it back in, press F5, you'll see the logs repopulated. So I find the one I want, which is this one. I right click and then go attach a task to this event. So this is making this is basically saying the log is the trigger and the task is going to be to run the script. So give it a meaningful name, so camera. Okay, that'll do. Go next. Next, I want to start a program. Next, and then you'll see this file. So I will put it in the description. So the program we want to run is PowerShell. The location, so you want to go to the place where you put your script, go right click properties, copy that string of text and ensure that it matches this part, and then take this string and go back and then add it to here as an argument, and then also you want to put in the following. So make sure you update your username here, which is still is my username. Copy that, paste, next, finished. So it's saying it's completed, so I can actually close the event viewer. One little comment is you'll notice in the event viewer there's my camera, and then there's this UID here, which I'll quickly touch on at the end. So I'll close that. Okay, the next program you want to open is the task scheduler. So open task scheduler, and then inside event viewer task, you might have to press F5 to reload it. Here's my new task, and it says camera import. And let's just test this. So if I unplug my camera, plug it in, scripts run, and the photos have been imported. So right now we've got it fully working. A advanced step you can add. So what I've found is sometimes you plug in a USB dongle or another device that might trigger the script, and you'll quickly see a blue screen pop up and the script says there's no camera and it disappears. If that annoys you, you can apply a filter, which you go to the task, go trigger, go edit, and then currently it gets triggered off that that log file changing, but it's too broad. So what you can do is go custom, new event filter, so you can narrow it down. And in here, there's ways of narrowing it down. So what I have is this XML code, which is basically saying that log needs to change, that the camera name needs to match this, the device name, and I've added that unique identifier. You can use like ChatGPT to try and help you make this XML, or work through mine, or just not have it and have it false trigger sometimes, but it just pops up for a second, disappears. So now I'll go OK, close that, close everything, go to, I'll just clear all the photos. So there's no folder. This is, you've gone out, taken some photos, plug the camera in, and popped up. A few seconds later, all the media from the camera has been transferred to here. That's it for today's video. We've successfully set up a method of importing your media from your camera and made it simple so you can instruct anybody to just simply plug in the camera. This method can be adapted to other models of cameras, or even an Android phone that attaches to Windows as a portable media device. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave your comments or directly message me if you need help around your setup. I'll be making similar videos in the future, and yeah, thanks for your time.